Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Start by opening Alight Motion and loading the composition you want to embed a QR code into. You need the final URL or text ready. This is what the QR will encode, so test it in a reader to avoid mistakes. Next, create a new layer or import an image placeholder sized for the QR. Make sure scale and aspect ratio match your layout. Once done, position that layer where the QR will appear. This first setup saves rework later and ensures the QR is legible on screen. Now generate the QR using a dedicated generator. Choose PNG or SVG with high resolution, set the quiet zone to 4 modules, and pick error correction M or Q depending on how much distortion you expect. Save the file and import it into Alight Motion. Place the QR image on the placeholder layer and use Transform to scale. Keep it pixel sharp, avoid upscaling. Once the QR sits correctly, apply blend and opacity if needed, so it integrates visually without losing contrast or scalability. Finish by exporting a test frame or a short clip at your final resolution, then scan the QR with multiple apps and devices to confirm reliability. If a scan fails, increase the QR size, boost contrast, or regenerate with higher error correction. Make sure no overlays or motion blur interfere. Once passing, render the final video. If problems persist, freeze the frame containing the QR for 1-2 seconds, because static presentation dramatically improves scan.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.